Hello everyone! Привет! You're at my channel Learn Russian with Oksana, and this is the second video of our playlist Practical Course of Russian from Beginner to Advanced. Today we're going to speak a lot. This lesson is practical and your task is to translate and speak. So let's start. Okay. The first sentence is Hi. Hi. What is it in Russian? Привет. Hi. Привет. Anton is there. Anton is not used in the present tense in Russian. There. Там. Anton там. Anna is here. Anna is here. Тут. Anna тут. Is Anton there? So to form a question, we don't change the word order. So Anton там and the question mark at the end of the sentence, yeah? Anton там? Yes, he's there. Да. He, он, is not used in the present in Russian. There, там. Да, он там. Is Anna here? Anna here. Тут. Okay, I forgot to put it here. Okay. Yes, she's here. Да. She, она, is here. Тут. Here, тут. Да, она тут. This is Alisa. This is это Alisa. She is at home. She. You already know this word, yeah? Она at home, дома. Она дома. And Ivan, а Ivan, Ivan, he's also at home. He, он, also тоже at home, дома. Он тоже дома. This is Dad. This is это Dad. Папа. Это папа. He's here. He. Он is here. Тут. Он тут. Anton and Anna are at home. Anton and Anna are, the verb to be is not used in the present. At home, дома. Антон и Анна дома. Water and juice are there. Water, вода, and juice, сок, are there, там. Вода и сок там. And the tea is here. А чай is here, тут. А чай тут. Is Kate at home? Катя at home. Дома. Катя дома? No, she's not at home. Нет. She. Она not, не, at home, дома. Нет, она не дома. Now let's repeat all the sentences. Привет. Привет. Антон там, Анна тут. Антон там? Да, он там. Анна тут? Да, она тут. Это Алиса, она дома. А Иван? Он тоже дома. Это папа, он тут. Антон и Анна дома. Вода и сок там, а чай тут. Катя дома? Нет, она не дома. Okay, I hope everything is clear. Let's go on. Is he also at home? Is he, он, also, тоже, at home, дома. Он тоже дома? No. Нет. He is not at home. He, он, not, не, at home, дома. Нет, он не дома. Is Anna there? Anna there. Там? Анна там? No, she's here. Нет, she. Она here, тут. No, she is here. Нет, она тут. Hi, is Ivan at home? Привет. Иван at home. Дома? Привет. Иван дома? Yes, he's at home. Да. He, он, is at home. Дома. We can reduce this sentence and say just да, дома. Yes, at home. Да, дома. Is the theater there? Theater, театр. There, там. Театр там. Yes, it is there. Да, там. Да, там. The bar is here and the theater is there. The bar, бар, is here, тут. And the theater, театр, is there, там. Бар тут, а театр там. Is mom there? Мама there, там. No, she's here. Нет, она тут. This is her. Это. Her in the Russian sentence is gonna be она. Because after the word это, when we introduce someone or something, we use the main form of pronouns or nouns. So, это она. This is not her. This is him. This is это not, не her. Она, это не она. This is это him. The main form in Russian is он. Это он. Mom and Dad are not at home. Мама и папа are not, не at home, дома. Мама и папа не дома. They are not at home. They, они, are not at home, не дома. Они не дома. The glasses are not here. The glasses, очки, are not here, not, не here, тут. Очки не тут. They are there. They, они, there, там. Они там. Let's repeat all the sentences here. Он тоже дома? Нет, он не дома. Анна там? Нет, она тут. Привет, Иван дома? Да, дома. Театр там? Да, там. Бар тут, а театр там. Мама там? Нет, она тут. Это она. Это не она, это он. Мама и папа не дома. Они не дома. Очки не тут. Они там. Okay. The next part. So we are at home. We. Мы. Are at home. Дома. Мы дома. They are here and we are there. They, они, are here, тут, они тут. And we are мы, and we are мы, are there, там. Они тут, а мы там. Is this juice? This, это juice. Сок, это сок. Yes, this is juice. Да, это сок. Is this also juice? Это also тоже сок. Это тоже сок? No, this is tea. Нет, this is это tea. Чай. Нет, это чай. Hi, is Kate here? Привет. Катя. Катя here, тут. Привет, Катя тут? Yes, here. Да, тут. Anton is at home. Антон at home. Дома. Антон дома. We are at home too. We, мы, too or also тоже, at home, дома. Мы тоже дома. We are also at home. And they, они, они, are they also at home? Они also тоже дома. Они тоже дома. Yes, they are at home. Да, они дома. Да, они дома. This is juice, this is tea, and this is water. Это juice, сок. This is tea. Это чай. And this, это water, вода. Are these them? Are they them? Это они? Это они? No. They are there. Нет. They, они, are there. Они там. Нет, они там. It's not us. It's, this is это, not, не. Us, the main form is we. In Russian it is мы. Это не мы. It's not us. Это не мы. Okay, let's repeat this part. Мы дома. Они тут, а мы там. Это сок? Да, это сок. Это тоже сок? Нет, это чай. Привет. Катя тут? Да, тут. Антон дома. Мы тоже дома. А они? Они тоже дома? Да, они дома. Это сок, это чай, а это вода. Это они? Нет, они там. Это не мы. Well, that's it for now. Don't forget to listen to this playlist regularly. You can do it while you're walking, while you're driving or cooking. It is a very useful playlist because it's not just an audio course. If you cannot differentiate the sounds or the words I say, write in the comments and maybe we'll do some other course on pronunciation, reading and writing in Russian. Well, keep working on your Russian. See you next time.